Yes, this morning I'm in Queens Botanical Garden in Flushing here. So this is the sign here, Queens Botanical, and it end up over the gardens there. So I haven't been here, never been here really. I've been in Flushing, but never really since they have this Botanical Garden. I've never been in here. So let's go see what's showing off in here. I hear they have a trail. We're gonna do the trail and we're gonna just go with the flow. Yeah. So let's do this. Yeah. Yep. And here's a security booth. Yeah. 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 So we go in it. Yeah. Yeah. So we're gonna see how the trail look like, and then we're gonna continue. Yeah. So as you can see, I drove in already and parked. Yeah. Yep. Right. So I'm gonna walk here, and then we're gonna find the trail, and then we're gonna head to the trail. Yeah. Yeah. So let's do this. Yep. So we're gonna catch all the flowers, everything as we going in. So we start here. Yeah, these are the first set here. But right now we're gonna start to do the trail first. Follow the crowd and do the trail, right? Yeah. Yeah. Okay. So like all this area is parking lots down there around this area. Alright, so let's go over this little bridge here. Alright. So we'll just look at a trail here, so we're gonna start going here. Yeah, let's go this way. As a matter of fact, let's see what's down here first. There's this sign right here. See what's going on here. And then we're gonna start the trail. Yeah. So you need this before you start to know what you're dealing with, you know what I mean? Yeah, man. Queens Botanical Garden. Yeah, where people plant and culture meat, right? And this is the whole section here. So let me see. Okay, I got it. So we're gonna go this way. Good morning. And do the trail. You see where I'll follow the crowd. You can't gotta be this way, everybody going that way. So we're gonna do that. And as I could see here, so let's do the trail. Alright. And come back. Alright, so let's follow. Yeah, man. Yep. So we start the trail, and we're gonna pick up all the flowers as we go by. Yeah. As I said, never been in this park before. I came to Flushing here in 1980, and here was just like a forest area, you know, a lot of bush and trees and stuff, a mini forest, you know. And I never been on this side. I'll go to the park on the next side, but really, never been here. Alright, so we're doing the trail. I'm good at finding this is the parking lot here still too. We're doing this trail. When we finish the trail, we gotta see one more as the bulletin board say. It's a lot of native plants, different species. So we got taking as much as we could get. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, man. So we on the move. Sun is out actually, but I hope we are good, get a good reception. Yeah. So we go check all them trees after the trail and see where they are. What kind of tree? Alright, so that's the sign there. So we're gonna continue. I know we doing the long way, we ain't cutting nothing short. Yeah. Yeah. So that's a gate up there. I think that take it over to Corona. Yeah, I think so. Let's go close and see. It's not open yet. So I guess you could cross on there and go straight to Corona. Let's take a view where we come from down there. Yeah. Big changes here. Yep. I want to be like this guy. Oh yeah. How you doing, buddy? All right. Yeah. Yeah. So yeah, so this take you over the bridge to the Corona Park. Yeah. So let's turn back here. Yeah. We're doing the whole thing, man. We ain't cutting nothing short. As I say, I'm familiar with here. As I say, I came in this area in 1980, hung out here for years, but it wasn't like this. It was just a forest area, you know, and the big changes in every way you could think about. So this is the first bulletin board we meet here now. Organic foods for composters. Oh, so you could bring your stuff. Alright. So let's continue going. We're trailing right now. Yeah? We're trailing right now. Yeah. I gotta start coming this way now. I hope you get the flowers as we go by. Yeah. Morning. The trail go away. Where this goes? Oh, alright. Yeah, so we go find it. Alright, that's the last question I'm asking. I'm not gonna ask no direction, no way. I'll find my way. Yeah. So we're coming up to our entrance here. And let's see. Okay, so I guess here is like the end of this side. So let's go down there. We ain't no rush. Let's go down there and then go back that way. Alright? So let's go. Alright, so that's the end of this. And we're gonna go back this way. Alright. Yeah. Oh man, I feel good with this one. Yep. Flushing Botanical Gardens. Yeah. A lot of trees, cool and nice. Yeah. Yep, so you see that big tree over there? Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, so we got this already. Show us what's going on here. You get it again? Yeah. They got chickens, everything. And let's see. I guess they all have all of that in here. Alright. So we came from this way, went this way. Let's see. Oh, this is part of the farm in here. Yeah, so they haven't opened yet. Yeah, but if you could see cabbage and oh look, they have apples here too, pears. Yeah, you got pears here too. You could see them over there. Yeah, so that's a pear tree. Yeah. Alright. So let's check the sign now, taking us where now. Okay. Oh, yeah. So we're gonna go this way. You got restrooms and stuff over there. So let's head this way now. Yeah. We're on the paved trail. This one here now. Yep. Show you the gardens. The garden that we just looking there. Yeah. The plants are the foundation for everyday food train. Yeah. Yeah, man. Right. So we continue going. Yeah. Yeah, the sun is out, hitting against the lens, but I hope for the best. And here is like the part of the garden too down here too. You know? Here is part of from all the way up there. So you see the bed, they got corn, they got look like squash or pumpkin or something. So a lot of things going on here. So we're trailing and we're mixing it up. Here we go again. Yeah. Yeah. All right. So we continue. Boys over there doing the swing swamp. Yep. Yeah. This looks like the entrance of the garden here. Yeah. Okay. QBG Farm, yeah. So that's the name of this farm over here. Blending with some nice flowers here. I didn't see the name yet, but we're gonna get to all of that. So this is the QBG farm, yeah? Yeah. I'm early, so it ain't open yet. Yeah. The farmhouse over there. Yeah. So by the time I'm ready to leave, it might open. We're going to go in the farm or we do it the next time. You could see apple tree over there and everything. Yep. Yeah, we gotta get the name of these flowers. Yeah, here is this nice one. Who won this one here? Yeah, all on the edge here. We got plants. Yeah, watermelon. Okay. Oh, they sow their seeds here. So let's start from here. You got corn seeds, sow here. Alright. Then you got lettuce, sow here. You got watermelon, sow here. So you could see them on the ground there. Yeah. Cilantro. Yeah. Yep. We got here again. Okay. Basil. Sunflower over there. Carrots. So all these seeds sow here. Yeah. Cucumbers. Radish. Okra. Yeah, man. Nice. We are down here now. Okay. Alright. So let's continue on with trail. Yeah. Alright. So that's this way, but we're gonna continue this way. Seems like they're cutting down, making some more farm areas over there. Yeah. Yeah. So we're gonna go right back to where I started, and we're gonna go. That's where we start the trail. So we're gonna go this way, and as I see on the map, I could go this way and come all the way around and come back right here. Alright? Sound like a plan. Yeah. See? Okay. Alright. So let's go this way. So as I said, we're doing the trail first, and then we got to see what else they have to offer. Check out all the plants and the herbs and stuff. Yeah, man. Okay, so we started up there, right? But we started a little off, about 300 feet from here. So let's go back around here and see if we miss anything. Administration buildings here. Yeah. So let's go back by where we started and come back this way. Yeah. All right. Yeah, so we started right here, around this circle here. We came from the parking lot there, so we covered the whole of that. You need to park right here. Right, we started here with the nice flowers. Right? Alright, so now let's take in this little piece here, see what they have here. Okay, so we're gonna do this later because it seems like these are the plants and the herbs and everything, but let's concentrate on the trail. So we're heading back to the trail now. Yeah, so we heading back this way. Morning. Yeah. Yep. Yeah. It's a nice ornament here, design, stonework. Yeah. Alright. So we're going straight ahead. Let's check the sign. I will check the sign here on Meadow Walk. Yeah. Alright. So let's head this way. Yep. As you can see all on the side here. But as we go to take in the names of some of these. Okay. Alright. And we're going. Yeah. Okay, here's a bulletin board here. So he's showing us here now. Let's dig in, bro. Yeah, man. Alright. So we continue. Yeah. So we're coming right back here, junction there, as far as the map shows us. Yeah. So let's go down here now. Yeah. And what I could see here, you have free books. You could come and get these books and read and put them back. Oh, so.
No problem.
Okay. Yeah. Come back and read right here.
Then I get to
Yeah. Alright, you get that in. So let's go down in here now. As you see, our next garden over there, it's not open yet. Yeah. But we gotta do all of this after. Yeah, we're trailing right now. Yeah. Alright. Staff only building here, and we now start hitting some trails now. Alright, we could come back and look at all the plants just now. Alright, all day we gonna come back and we following the trails. Let's pass in here, see what's going on. Because you see, they had a exercise thing going on over there. Yeah. Wow. All right. So let's swing around here. Okay, so we have a fish pond down here. So now. So we gonna come back on this, right? And spend a little more time on the fish pond and all the plants, the name and everything. So let's head back on trail. Yep, administration building over there, they're setting up. As I say, I'm here early. A lot of exercise going on, bro. Yeah. And then I see a trail here. So let's go through this trail from here. Yeah, let's follow this trail here. Exit, but we're not gonna exit. We're gonna continue on this trail going down. Yes. Oh, I see a sign behind here. Let's go see what sign this is. Oh, green roof. Let's go check out the green roof. Right? I think that's up there. So let's go check that out. See what the sign. Okay. Yeah, so we're going up and check out the green roof part of the trail, you know? Yeah, man. Yeah. When we coming back, we're gonna look at all the names of these plants here, these grass here. So, we up on top of the green roof, and this more, you get a better demonstration on this when it's raining. Yeah? Yeah, so this is where they call it a green roof. Yeah, well, this usually be full up of water. Yeah. Yes, yes. So that's the design of the green roof here. So as we go back now, let's see where this plant. Okay, that's this plant right here. Should I get a pointer? But this is the plant here. Yeah. Now this one here, Lespidera. This is this one. Yeah. Oh, we got ratchet here too. Yep. What name they call that? Yeah, that's ratchet we call that. Yeah. Yeah. So that's the name that they call it. CRTHU Catazim Pink, something like that. Yeah, my tongue doesn't swing them way there. Yeah. All here is the same. Yeah. Alright. We're heading back down. Here we have more again. Another species. This one had the spike on them, the picker. So this is another one. Yeah. This tree here now. What is this? Okay, you got it. Alright. Right. And this tree over here, this is our next species. Oh, the same thing, yeah. Yeah. Alright. So we're heading back from that trail, Green Roof Trail. Yeah. So we continue with trail. Alright, so we come from this way, we going this way now. More exercise. Yeah. So these are these. Yeah. Yeah. More exercise. So I'm not gonna pass through the exercise. I'm gonna walk around. Alright? Yeah. Yeah, so that's this trail. We're gonna walk around and come back around. Yeah. Alright, so let's check this out here. So that's part of the where they use the water here. We got bamboo spout. Yeah. Okay. Alright. So here we got nice, flowers here. Alright. So we continue. Continue on the trail. Nice park here, they're setting up. Yeah. More exercise down there. Yep. Alright. So we come to a square here now. Yeah. Alright. So the fountain of life, yeah. Alright, so let's check out this water fountain here. Get the flowers first. Yeah. Wow, look at this. Alright, so get a view of the circle here, and let's continue on the trail. Yeah. Yeah. Fragrance walk. Don't you smell sweet? Yeah. Yep. So we'll come back. So now I see a trail going down here. We're going down here. Yep. Came from right here. Oh, right now the sprinkler system on. Yeah. Let's swing a bit and I'm up, go through. Yeah. So kind of wet in here. Yep. Sprinkler system again, a little sprinkle. But this is part of the trail. Yeah. Yep. Oh yeah. Got a little soap with us. Yep, yep. And we come right back out. Where is this here? Sanringa. Yeah. A little more soak again. And we coming out. We come right back out. Yeah. Some more exercise going on here. And I ain't gonna go this way, I'm gonna go this way. So here you are, nice roundabout here. Yeah. More exercise going on up there. Yeah. Yeah. And this is the circle garden. Yeah. Alright. So that trail ends us back right out here. And we're gonna continue the trail going back this way. Exercise all over, man. Yep. Yeah. Yeah, all over. So let's continue. Apples right here. We're gonna come back and do all of this. Apple tree. Let me get the name of this. Look at it. Yep, so. Oh, this is just a precaution. Yeah. Alright. Look at some big ones here, man. Yep. Yeah. Will you come back on that? We're doing the trail. Yeah. Yeah. Yep. So I see an entrance here and some footsteps go up here because they're exercising down there. And I'm gonna continue this trail. Alright. So I'm going on top here now. You could come back there and come out there, but that's for another chapter. Yeah. Alright. So here we back on paved trail. Yeah. And they have a dirt trail down here. I'm up for the dirt trail. Right? But it comes right back out to the paved area. Yeah, man. Meadow walk we on now. Yeah. Trail take you back down there. Nice wooden seat. Yeah. Yeah. So they had their own groups doing their thing. Yeah. Yeah, so you see what's going on, the disco. Yep. So we continue. This take you right back to where we walked earlier. All apple trees up here. Full apples. Still young though. So folks, remember, we came around and this is where we enter the second part of the trail. So we came from this way, what we did already. The only piece we didn't do is, I think, a little piece up here. So let's walk back up here and do that little piece, and then we gonna call this part 1 on the Flushing Meadow Botanical Garden here. Yeah. So now we gonna make we rounds now and visit the plants on them. Yeah. Wow. Yeah. Yep, so we get the wooded area when we was going the opposite way. And here is the wooded area where they're cutting down for more farm area. Yeah. Yeah. Yes, yes. Alright. So folks, we go back to where we started. And we're gonna make a wrap on this one for part 1. Yeah. So that's the end of the trail. Yep, nice trail. Yeah. Wait, somewhere around. I saw on the sign saying there was a bee. Sorry, there was a bee place where they produce honey. So I guess we're gonna look for that on part 2. Yeah. So you could smell some of the waste that the people bring in for compost. Yeah, you could smell it, but not too much. So it seems like people bring the compost here. Alright. So we actually didn't go down in here. This is where we started. So now we'll go down in here now and complete this thing here. Yeah, man. The banana tree, did we get that before? Yep. Alright. So we're gonna do this little piece here. Yeah. Yep, so this is a little piece we didn't do, so we're gonna complete. This is just grass, different species of grass. Yeah, I see no sign to tell me the name, but this is what we're dealing with here now. Yeah. Yep. Yep, and we're coming right back to the security booth. Yeah, all here, nice plants, flowers. Yeah, and here where the Here we're telling you now. So these are water plants, they're soaking water. Yep. So that's what we're dealing with here. So now, came back to the security booth. Come around. Yeah. Yeah. So. Yeah. I go around again. But that's my car there. Yeah, look. Yeah. Corvette.
Thank you.
Yeah, so. Yeah, me. Yep. Hold on, let me see. Let's start. Yeah, so folks, you just want to hear the engine beat, you know? Yep. Yeah, folks, so the guy kind of amazed about the car, so just give him a little vibes on it, you know what I mean? Yeah. All right. Yeah. So folks, we're gonna go do our next rounds again. Yeah. Yeah, so folks, we did the trail. I think it take us like 45 minutes. Back where we started. Right? So with that said, we're gonna call that part 1 of the nature trail at Flushing Meadow Botanical Garden. So we're gonna go back now and do part 2. We're gonna go check out all the plants. So stay tuned and catch me on part 2.